Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a password manager with 1Password on iPhone step by step clearly. Begin by opening the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type 1Password and tap search. Locate the 1Password app in the search results and tap on it. Next, tap the Get button to download and install the app. Once the download is complete, open the 1Password app. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Tap Get Started. Next, you will need to create an account. Tap Create Account. Follow the prompts to enter your email address and set a strong master password. Remember, your master password is crucial as it protects all your stored data. After creating your account, you may be asked to set up biometric authentication. This feature allows you to use Face ID or Touch ID for quick access. Now, you will see a screen offering to set up a secret key. The secret key enhances security, so make sure to follow the instructions carefully. Once you have noted your secret key, tap Next. You will now be directed to customize your vault. You can add a name and description for easier identification. After setting up your vault, tap Done. 1Password will guide you through adding your first login. You can manually enter your login information, or use the option to import existing passwords. If you choose to import, follow the prompts to integrate your current passwords. Once your information is entered, save the login details. Next, tap on the autofill feature in the app to set it up. Enable autofill for 1Password in your iPhone settings by going to Settings. Navigate to Passwords, then tap on Autofill Passwords. Select 1Password from the list to enable it. Now, return to 1Password and check that your logins appear. To test the autofill feature, open Safari or another browser. Go to a website where you have an account and tap the Login field. 1Password should suggest your saved username and password automatically. You may need to authenticate using your master password or biometric features. Finally, take some time to explore the app features and customize settings as needed. Congratulations, you've successfully set up 1Password on your iPhone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.